Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Toyota Corolla maintenance light. This simple process helps clear the reminder after your service. First, insert your key into the ignition. Then, turn the key to the on position, which is typically the second click, but do not start the engine. This action powers up your dashboard without engaging the starter, preparing your vehicle for the next crucial step in the reset sequence. Next, locate the trip reset button, which is usually found on your dashboard near the odometer or trip meter display. Press and hold this button firmly. Continue holding it until you see trip A clearly displayed on your screen. This step is essential as it selects the correct trip meter for the maintenance light reset process, ensuring you're on the right track. Now, while still holding down the trip reset button, turn your key back to the off position. It's important to maintain pressure on the button throughout this step. Then, immediately and still holding the button, turn the key back to the on position. Remember, do not start the engine at this point. Just turn the ignition to the on setting to proceed with the reset. Continue holding the trip reset button. You will observe the miles section of your odometer display flash several times, eventually showing 000000 or similar, and then the maintenance light will turn off. Once the light is extinguished, you can release the button. Start your car to confirm the maintenance light remains off, indicating a successful reset. You're now all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.